Good morning everyone. I will discuss the water pollution. Causes of water pollution. Oil spills. Accidental oil spills from ships and industries severely impact marine ecosystem. Oil forms a thick layer on water suffocating marine organisms. Effects of water pollution. Of course, human health. Drinking contaminated water can cause diseases like cholera, dysentery, and hepatitis. Heavy metals like lead and mercury can lead to long-term health issues. To avoid water pollution, first, proper waste disposal. Do not throw trash into rivers, lakes, or oceans. Reduce plastic use to prevent marine pollution. See eco-friendly household cleaning products to prevent chemical contamination. Types of water pollution. Surface water pollution. Surface water includes water that is found naturally on the Earth's surface, such as lagoons, rivers, oceans, and lakes. Contamination of these water bodies happens when pollutants dissolves in our mix with the water. This pollution can be accidental like oil spills in the ocean or intentional such as industries discharging waste into rivers or seas. Chemical pollution. Chemicals are the most common type of water contaminants affecting both surface and underground water bodies. Epekto sa atin ang chemical pollution is nakakasira ng kalikasan, naapektuhan ang pangkabuhayan ng mga tao, nalalason ang balon sa poso na hindi pwedeng inumin ng mga tao. Nutrients pollution. Even though nutrients are essential for plant and aquatic life, an excess of them can be harmful. Wastewater and fertilizer contain high levels of nutrients needed for plant growth. Nutrient pollution. Ang nutrients tulad ng nitrogen at phosphorus ay mahalaga sa mga halaman at hayop sa tubig. Epekto naman po nito is sobrang pagdami ng damo at algae sa ibabaw ng tubig, pagbara ng mga water filter at pagdumi ng inuming tubig.